Hello, my name is Anik. I am the consultant of the info point of the Institute for Language and Preparatory Studies of Charles University. I'm happy to welcome you at the tutorial how to apply for a preparatory course at our institute. First of all, please open our website. The link you will find in the description for this video. Please click at the top Preparatory Courses. Here you can see the program selection guide. Here you can click on different characteristics which can help you to choose a proper course. At this point, we would like to explain what does it mean if you choose Czech or English. You choose English if you want to study in a university in English and pay a tuition fee. In this case, we will prepare you for the entrance exams in English. We have two preparatory courses in English: Economics in English and Medicine in English. If you want to get your higher education for free, you need to choose Czech. In this case, you will study an intensive course of Czech language and we will prepare you for the entrance exams in Czech. Let's choose Czech and, for instance, engineering and computer science. Here you have two options. If you start Czech from zero or basic level, you choose complex course. If you start from intermediate level, you choose fast. Let's choose complex. Here you can see short description of the course. And if you scroll down, you will see the detailed description of the course. Please note, on the right you can find useful information. Please pay attention to that information. Let's scroll up and find Sign In button. Please press that button to apply. Here you can see fields that were pre-filled according to the choices you made one step before. We will start to fill the application form in non-traditional way. We will start from the end. Before starting application, you need to prepare few documents. First one is the letter of motivation. Please download and complete the form in English or in Russian. The second document that you need to attach to your application form is the copy of document of secondary school completion. If you don't have this document, please ask your school to give you a document saying that you are still studying at the school at the last year. The document should be signed and stamped by the school authority. The third document is the copy of your passport. As soon as you have all three documents ready, we can start to fill up our application from the top. As we already said, the first block is already pre-filled. So let's go to the second block, personal data. But please note, you have to complete the application in Latin script. If you use any other script, the system won't accept your application. In the personal data section, please pay attention to the email field. Please type your email very carefully. Otherwise, we cannot contact you. Let's go further. Contact details. Please enter the address where you want to get your mail from us. In this section, you don't have to write anything, but if you want, you can, for example, write your parents' contacts. The next section is education and studies. First, you need to choose education that you completed. And then you choose study program. It means you choose your future study program that you are going to study after completion our preparatory course. Next section is visa. Most of you will have to choose yes, I need visa. And then please write the city where you're going to apply for your visa. If you need an accommodation, if you want to live in our dormitories, please choose yes in the section accommodation. Next section, health insurance. All foreigners must have health insurance in Czech Republic. You can order insurance with our help. If you need our help, please select the type of insurance that you want to buy. In the next block, please indicate where you find information about our course. We will highly appreciate your feedback. If you have any comments, please write them down here in the comment section. But remember, you need to use only Latin script. For example, if your passport is going to expire very soon and you're going to change it, please write this information in the comments so we will be informed. And now we are again at the end of our application form. We already have all the documents prepared, so we can attach them. Now the application is filled up, all the documents attached, and we can press the submit button. In a few minutes, you will receive the automatic reply to your email box. If you haven't received any automatic reply from us, it means that we haven't received your application and you need to do it again. But please, first don't forget to check spam folder. If you received an automatic reply from us, it means that we got your application form and we are going to proceed within 1 week. Please be patient. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.